Welcome to my presentation. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. My name is Mwetwa Sikamikami, and I'm Zambian. I'm founder and independent consultant for Bitpop Engineering, a startup enterprise that was founded in 2018 right here in Zambia. Our vision is simply to become a leading company in offering innovative solutions and value-added services for our target clients and target public facilities such as schools, health centers, and private property. Through this particular project, we seek to extend the life of small solar products through better maintenance and repair for low-income Zambians. We plan to increase the off-grid system sustainability for solar lanterns and solar home systems through the development of environment for repair. So this benefits not only our customers, but also those of leading quality Pico solar products, as well as the wider community and the country as a whole, by reducing electronic waste and extending the life of environmentally friendly lighting solutions for those who need them the most. We intend to create conditions necessary for any leading Pico solar product to be repaired by any electronics repair center within the selected areas that we'll be working in. And then ultimately, as the enterprise continues to grow, we'll look to cover the entire country. Thereby, I will be supporting local community-based businesses. Over to the next slide. As Bitpop Engineering, we operate in line with existing national strategies of integrating and promoting Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, of goal number 2, the zero hunger, goal number 5, gender equality, goal number 6, clean water and sanitation, goal number 7, affordable and clean energy, goal number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure, goal number 13, climate action, goal number 14, life below water, and goal number 17, partnerships to achieve the goal. And in this particular project, we shine a light on SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. To the next slide. As Bitpop engineers, we seek to provide reliable and affordable products and services through design, installation, and maintenance of solar mini-grids, solar technology, standalone solar home systems, and efficient use of biomass through improved cookstoves, which will promote investment in the use of low-cost technologies and decentralized energy systems. When we look over the background of the project, in 2020, there was an estimated 200 million OGS products sold globally, with 1 million solar products sold within Southern and Central Africa in the second half of 2020, as reported by Gogla. The product lifespan expected to be 3 years for PSPs and 5 years for solar home systems, making the e-waste quantities rise to an estimated 10,000 metric tons as of 2020. Furthermore, sustainable management of solar e-waste is an emerging priority for the off-grid sector. And recapture, as well as recycling of off-grid solar e-waste in particular, is a challenge for 3 reasons. One is collection, and then the second is battery diversity, and then the third is multiplier effects. And then making the above efforts remain nascent across the country. Go over to the next slide. The repair of off-grid solar products is becoming increasingly difficult with the advent of more customized products and parts and limited repair information available in the market. Our customers say that they don't have the necessary knowledge to fix these lights, to fix the products that they purchase, to fix the lamps and many other solar products. And repair technicians as well tell us that they need more information and access to spare parts. So good quantity replacement components for solar lanterns nearly impossible to source locally, and technicians routinely turn customers away, leaving very few repair options. In order to achieve the project objectives, however, qualitative and quantitative monitoring and evaluation methods, which will be used to improve survey design, identify social and institutional impacts that are hard to quantify and uncover in case of unanticipated processes or outcomes, and trace impact pathways. So a mixed method approach is necessary for this project, because whether the project objectives work as intended depends not only on how efficiently resources and knowledge are transferred, but also on the complex economic and social dynamics in the households that will be visiting the communities and institutions as well. So these dynamics cannot be disentangled through surveys alone. When used together, the approaches will provide more coherent and reliable and useful conclusions. The quantitative methods will provide uniform measures of project outputs and impacts. The challenges that we may look forward to having while on this project is distribution, maintenance, and repair. Among them, replacement or lack of spare parts, repair of the informal sector, and then affiliate and non-affiliate products, as well as the location of the customers in the areas that we are selected, and then as well as recycling of capacity and volumes of e-waste in insufficient public infrastructure, as well as volume for profitability and product design, under which multiplier effects is the main challenge. We go over to the next slide. Take back and collection is an integral part of our project repair strategy in order for us to deal with end-of-life products. As such, supplementary to normal reverse logistics, there are several advantages to leveraging the customer relationship beyond the warranty of the products that we will provide during this particular project. Among them is mitigation, and then we'll also look at avoiding circulation of end-of-life products with dubious quality repairs, as well as improve brand perception of the products that we provide to our customers, and look at customer retention in order for us to retain our customers and grow our numbers as the enterprise keeps growing. Go to the next slide. We look at the take back and collection on raising awareness. In many areas around the community, there's lack of consumer awareness about the hazards of e-waste, and recommended means of disposal is a barrier to recovery of e-waste. As such, communication is a very central pillar of take-back schemes. So for this particular project, we'll look at messaging, which will be very clear and concise. We'll look at engaging network operators if possible, and then see how we can reach our customers in selected areas and be able to communicate the e-waste recommended means of disposal. Focus on positive messaging rather than detailing hazards, as well as utilize touch points throughout the customer journey for these particular communities that we'll be working in. So, seen in the pictures there, in order to achieve these particular objectives with marketing materials, as well as clear disposal information on product packaging, installation, we'll also collaborate with national campaigns or electors such as the Zambia Environmental Management Agency and other partners and players within the sector that are looking at e-waste and the challenges that this particular hazard brings to the environment. When we go over to the next slide, we look at repair and refurbishment opportunities. And still on opportunities, we look at improved products which increase interoperability and minimum e-waste footprint. We also look at consumer awareness campaigns and collaboration with the off-grid sector, and other team players in the sector, as well as extended producer responsibility programs and government and stakeholder engagement for policy and regulations as regards to e-waste repair and e-waste management within the community. With this, I would like to close my presentation by calling for concerted efforts in addressing the emerging threats to the environment which are posed by e-waste. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Enjoy the webinar.